Court is calling 2024 CR 007-138, State of Texas versus I. King Scott. Did you understand you're charged with assault, family choking strangulation? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
That's correct, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm sorry, just one moment. I'm sorry, my brother just got out of surgery.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no. My mom doesn't do text messaging, so I have to call her and let her know what's going on.
Oh, sure.
All right. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If we may, Your Honor,
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
we're respectfully requesting this court follow the negotiated plea agreement, Judge.
All right. So why are you doing this, Mr. Scott? It says it's over household chores.
It wasn't over household chores, but
What was it over?
a friend of mine had passed away and his wife needed some money. I loaned her some money. I wasn't asking back. I wasn't asking for the money back. Lauren, which was my girlfriend at the time, was very angry with that. She got into an altercation with her, and after they fought, I kind of was like defending the other girl. I called my friend to take Lauren to the hospital because she was busted up, and I was at home, and in the morning, I had the cops at my door saying that I did all this stuff.
So you're saying you didn't do this?
I did not put my hands on her, did not strangle her. I have 2 daughters. She's very aggressive. I don't hit her back or anything like that.
So you're saying this happened because she got in an altercation with someone else?
Yes.
And who was this person she got in an altercation with?
Her name was Lisa.
Well, I mean, you loaned her money, right? The person
Yeah.
so who did you loan money to?
It was my friend Philip's wife.
Oh.
He passed away on December 23rd, and she was just going through some hard times.
But no. What's her name?
Lisa,
Okay, Lisa what?
I don't know her last name.
Well, there's a person here listed as Julissa Anguiano.
Oh no, that's my friend's girlfriend. She has nothing to do with the case. Nothing at all.
All right.
Yeah, nothing to do with it.
So defense, he's saying that somebody else beat her up.
I explained the whole situation, Judge, where we're at currently in this phase. In terms of the court proceedings, I'll ask the client if you wanted me to reach out to the state for an offer, if you wanted to not have a jury trial in this matter. His concern, I believe, is as well that he's been in custody for some time without the ability to make bond. So when referencing all of that, we did confirm and reach out that the complaining witness does not want to move forward with the case. There's been an A&P tendered, Judge. So
Well, here's the thing. I don't want people pleading to cases because I can't get out on bond. One or two things can happen. One, I can move this for a trial very quickly. We can put it on the docket for next week. Or number two, you all can address bond issues. Because what is his bond set at?
it's set at 20,000 currently,
Okay.
Judge.
And does he have priors?
He does had a couple that were dismissed. Right?
Yeah, I just had it dismissed. She did it like Well, she did it one time, but she has a very bad temper.
And Judge, in speaking with my client, I did tell him that I would gladly assert his defenses and have a jury trial. But he wanted me to get him the best offer today, and I did go over all the stipulations. So I believe that's why he wanted to proceed this way outside my guidance, because I asked for more time to get ready to.
Well, if you all want to, this is what I can do. Because I'm gonna require a TAP evaluation for you in custody, because I need to figure out, that's for 2 weeks. That's how long a TAP will take. If y'all want, we can bring this back on Thursday, or we can bring it back on Monday. That'll give you more time. I don't want somebody to take a plea because they want to get out of jail or they can't make bond when those issues can be addressed. If you're telling me that somebody else did this wasn't you,
Yes.
then, you need to give your attorney a chance to find out who this other person is. Who knows? Maybe they'll come in and testify, give some information to the state. I don't think the state, and correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Dunn, I don't think the state wants someone to be convicted or on probation for a crime that they didn't commit.
Absolutely, Judge. And just to even further the court's own point, I was speaking to another counsel about another trial date, and if this would like to proceed, Your Honor, we're ready if that is what the course of action needs to be.
So, counsel, if you need time to find this person he's saying, then the plea is here. The plea will stand. I don't think the state is going to go back on their plea. And if you want to file a motion for a bond reduction, maybe they want to discuss that. I have no idea what your criminal history is, but I know I don't want anyone pleading to a case if they're saying the only reason why they're pleading to the case is because they can't get out of jail. That's what motions for bond reductions are for.
Take care of it.
And this is, the conversation that we've been having.
So
but-
this is what I'll do. I'm going to recall this back for Thursday. That's one day. Because you won't be back Wednesday. We'll come back on Thursday. Maybe that'll give him a chance. Who knows? Maybe this person will walk through the doors and tell the state, I'm the person you've been looking for. I can shed some light on this.
That's fair enough, Your Honor, and I appreciate that.
Okay.
And in the alternate, I'll file a motion for bond reduction just in case, Judge, but
Okay.
I'm glad we can clarify that issue because I did not want him pleading something he didn't want to do either, but at the end of the day, it's his call, but we'll definitely strive to those ends, Judge.
All right, we'll recall it. And then I've already accepted your plea and I found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty. But what I can tell you, if your counsel decides that you all are going to proceed a different way, I'll allow you all to orally, if there's no objection from the state, do a motion for new trial and we can start back over.
Yes.
All right, so we'll recall this for Thursday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.